Ndewo ndenyum. Welcome my friends. Welcome to Igbo Galaxy, where learning the Igbo language is made simple, fun and practical. My name is Mazi Onyebuchi, and in today's lesson, I will teach you how to introduce yourself in Igbo language, whether you're a complete beginner, a parent teaching your children, a student, or someone who simply wants to speak Igbo with confidence. This lesson is for you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to greet people, say your name, tell others where you are from, introduce your occupation, and even make someone else to introduce themselves, all in simple Igbo. So get your notes and pen ready, repeat after me, and let's learn together. Kanyibido, let's begin. Ndewo, hello, pronounced as Ndewo. This is a polite way to greet somebody in Igbo. Ndewo. Saying your name or saying one's name. Ahamobo. My name is Omomato. That is, for example, Ahamobo Onyebuchi. My name is Onyebuchi. Aha is name. Is mine. Bo is. So master this and know it. Asking someone's name. Kedu ahagi? What is your name? Kedu what? Aha, name. Gi, your. Where are you from? Esim. I am from Omomato, that is example. Esim, River State. Esim, Port Harcourt. I am from River State, or I am from Port Harcourt. Asking where someone is from. Ebe ka isi. Where are you from? Ebe, where? Ka isi, you come from. Occupation, yeah, occupation. Album, then you put any occupation. You can say something like, Album onye nkuzi, I am a teacher. Album nwa akwụkwọ, I am a student. We'll look at that critically in subsequent video. Afo, that is year. Telling someone how old you are. Adima afo iri. I am 10 years old. We've done numbers before now and we'll still do it again. So just know any number and then add afo, that is year. The language you speak. Ana m asụ Igbo. I speak Igbo. Ana m asụ Bekee. I speak English language. English language in Igbo is called Bekee. After introducing yourself and meeting someone, it's important you say thank you. In Igbo, thank you is daru. So saying thank you in Igbo is quite simple. Just say daru, thank you. After meeting people, often tell them bye or say goodbye. So in Igbo, to say goodbye, you say kaodi, goodbye, or kemesia, see you later. This is where we draw the curtain on this learning section. But remember, you can go through the video over and over again until you have the mastery of it. Remember, you can write on the comment section by asking all your questions, and I will find time to answer all your questions. Remember to subscribe. Bye.